The R1 Neo 3D printer is designed for beginners with 98% pre-assembled parts, making setup a breeze in just 15 minutes. It features an advanced auto-leveling system with 25 points and a baby leveling function, ensuring high accuracy and a higher success rate for your prints. The dual-gear extrusion and direct drive system, combined with dual cooling fans and a titanium alloy throat, provides smooth filament feeding and reduced nozzle clogging. User-friendly details such as a magnetic PEI spring steel sheet that fits the bed perfectly and an included tool storage box make the printing experience more convenient. The R1 Neo boasts reliable and stable printing with its dual synchronized lead screws and dual motor drive, enhancing movement stability and printing accuracy. Additional features like filament runout detection and the ability to resume printing after a power outage add to the printer's reliability and user-friendliness.